my goodness.
It's moving through that snow. Okay, bro. Trying to kill us.
Came out the bottom of the bottom, had to climb out the ground.
Hey, what is up, guys? We are back at it again with the two XRTs in the paddle tires. This time we actually got the paddle tires on all four corners for both of them.
Hopefully it make a big difference because there's a lot of snow out here.
There's a lot, and the roads are super icy, so
it don't look like we getting back to the park anytime soon.
Sadly.
Oh, that's good. Oh, wow. That was nice. Yo, yo, having them on all four corners make a big difference. Wow.
This is my blind spot. Last time I went this way, I was right into the tree.
Oh, look at her go. It's moving through that snow. Okay, bro. Trying to kill us.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
That is a big difference. Wow.
Damn. Look at that.
Ooh.
See, not nice, is it?
Well, I wasn't going towards you. It would have went to me, if anything. Oh my gosh, I still got sprayed by that.
We almost hit the tree. Oh man, this is so good. Woo! Oh, this is so good. Woo! Oh, this time we also got some of those dust covers, so hopefully they help keep the snow out. That were expensive enough. Overpriced, right? I don't know what. $20 a pop, man. The X-Max ones were like $12 a pop, so ooh. You know they just charge them more because they can. Oh my goodness. Man, these paddle tires make such a big difference. Having them on the front helps so much. Oh, right in my face. Damn. Oh no!
We've got a crash. I got it.
No, I got it.
Oh my goodness.
Damn, this stuff is so powdery.
Told you I could have got it.
Yeah, I should have let you. I'm so happy with these paddle tires, though.
They doing work out here.
I didn't think it was gonna be as good as it is. Woo! See why they call them roosters? Rooster X's. Woo!
Wow. Oh, you just sprayed me. There's a car left.
It was so much snow coming up, I couldn't see the truck.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, my shoes are done, bro.
Yeah, this post sidewalk.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What kind is it?
Traxxas XRT.
My son might need one of those.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Are they?
Yeah, about 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Or you won't get one.
Get you some camera time.
I'm trying to make a jump.
That sounds scary.
We kind of went through all the big hills already.
You got a little airborne.
A little.
I'm just scared you're gonna hit a tree.
I'm trying to be very mindful of that after last time.
Ooh! Ooh! Bro, this thing is dangerous.
Oh. Okay, I see you.
Woo! Oh yeah, that's gonna look good on camera.
Oh.
Woo!
Okay.
You gotta drain your battery.
Yeah.
Oh, they enjoying it down there. Oh, you went far.
Don't
You ready for the biscuit? Ooh.
Oh, my turning. I forget how bad I turn sometimes.
Yeah, well, these tires don't help.
Yeah.
You getting like no grip.
Oh, I can't see. I was going straight to my That sounded too close to me. I can't see you. Oh no!
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, car.
Bro, this is so awesome. Oh.
Oh. Oh, that got me. That's revenge. Oh.
I like how it's just like a
intentional.
bunch of powder right there and ice like everywhere else. I think we've made this video too long.
We're having too much fun, guys.
Yeah, for real.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna end it with this.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, we appreciate y'all. Thanks.
Peace.
Peace. Woo!
Perfect.